What's the meaning of circa? Circa. Circa.
Circa. Circa. The word circa means approximately or around a particular time period in history. It is often used before a date to indicate that the exact date is unknown or uncertain but is estimated to be within a certain range. For example, the Roman Empire fell circa 476 AD. The word comes from Latin and is commonly abbreviated as c. It is frequently used in historical research, archaeology, and genealogy to discuss events or people whose dates are not precisely known but can be estimated based on available evidence.